Now, for something like this, you're gonna need two guns. The one you're gonna use and a backup. You want something with more stopping power than a 22. You definitely don't want a silencer. You want to make a lot of noise to make the witnesses run away so they ain't gonna be looking at you. But not the noise a 45 makes, because that makes too much noise, and a patrol car can hear it a few blocks away at least. The cops call a 32 a woman's gun because it's easy to handle, don't do the damage a 38 does, but, you know, it does enough.
Hey, Tommy, some more wine. Shit!